Hi and welcome to Ginger Pop Kitchen. Today we are starting off with one of my favorite festive cookies of all time, gingerbread cookies. Not only are they adorable, but they are chewy, fluffy, and delicious, and they bring the flavors of the holiday together. I will link the recipe in the description box below as far as the measurements, but let's get started with the wet ingredients first, starting with the sugar and the butter. Give that a mix. Then add your molasses. The molasses gives these gingerbread cookies that famous light golden brown color and that fluffy, chewy texture. Give that a good stir before you add your spices, starting with cinnamon, then ground ginger, and then allspice, and a little bit of salt. And if you don't have allspice, you can go ahead and skip that. It could be optional. Give that a nice little mix. And then what you want to do is add your egg and whisk that together to combine. So once you get that mixed up, you're going to start with your dry ingredients, starting with 1, 2, 3 1/3 cups of all-purpose baking flour. Adding your baking powder and baking soda. Give that a good whirl. And before you add that to the batter, go ahead and give the batter a nice little stir and scraping the sides of the bowl down. It should be nice and wet, just like that. Add your flour mixture in batches and then add a little bit at a time, working that to create a dough. And you don't want to see any white flour really, so just get in there with your hands. You just want to fold to combine. Do not knead it. Do not overwork it. Just go ahead and fold to combine. And then I like to go ahead and grab it and kind of squeeze it and form a ball. Place it onto the cutting board and pack in as much as you can from the bowl, creating a nice dome shape. Pack it firmly so that you can go ahead and cut it into half, because I like to definitely recommend that you refrigerate this for 1 hour, and then the other half you could work as well, or you can refrigerate it for a week or even freeze it for a month. It'll hold, and then you can whip out another batch at a later date. Flour your working surface, and then using your rolling pin, roll out to about 1/4 of an inch thick. And then use your gingerbread cookie cutter to wiggle out the pieces. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Let cool completely. And then there you have it. These delicious golden brown gingerbread cookies. Festive, adorable, new family tradition possibly. It's become one of our favorite traditions to share during the holiday time. And you could decorate them or have them as is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.